Hi, welcome to another episode of Charlie Drives. You join us on our annual pilgrimage on the Race Against God. We are here in the Cambridge Tesco's. There's a few of us who have arrived already. We are in the Esprit. Hopefully this year we'll make it. I'm not going to try and live stream it like I did last time because that was just a mistake.
Hey.
Hi, mate. Say
Morning.
hi. Say hi.
Morning.
Say hello to the YouTube. But look at that wing. Nice. Very cool. So all good. But yeah, a few other nice cars here. We will keep you updated as we get on, and you're not going to keep Simon awake, are you?
No, not at all.
No.
Obviously.
Yeah. Nice one.
Race Against God is inspired by Jeremy Clarkson's challenge on a Top Gear episode. I'm sure many people have done it prior to him doing it in that particular episode itself, but that is what inspired us to do this challenge, to set up a rally. It's a 2-day rally where we get together on the first day, drive in convoy, stop at a bunch of different places on the way, get some nice shots of the cars. Then we head over to Cornwall, we stay overnight, and then on the following day we head over to Land's End, which is the most westerly point of mainland England. We wait until the sun sets, and then we have a race on our hands to essentially race the sun from the most westerly point to the most easterly point, which is at Ness Point in Lowestoft. The drive has to take 7 hours. That is the time difference between the sun setting and the sun rising. So it is obviously a really difficult challenge, especially with all of the road closures. But I hope you enjoy this video. I wanted to give you guys a bit of an overview of what Race Against God is all about.
Yeah. So we've arrived at Newquay for the night. Look at the view behind us. The sun has finally come out after a pretty torrential downpour, wasn't it, David? It was pretty bad. So anyway, now we're trying to assess the situation with the parking because we've got all these people turning up and no parking spaces. So I think next year we might have to stay at a different hotel that's got parking. Okay, we've arrived at Land's End. The challenge will commence from here. This is where we are. This is where I was last year when I ran out of petrol? No, when I ran out of juice in my battery. Right, so we've got all of the cars finally lined up, as you can see behind me. David got bitten by a horse. So he missed the lining up of the cars, but we are ready to go. We've got approximately 1 hour till the sun sets. So we're just waiting in anticipation for that to happen, and yeah, we should be good to go. Try not to get run over by a car, but yes, very, very excited.
Oh, my shoes are untied. So we've just left Land's End. Had a few people cheering us on as we left, which was quite fun. Yeah, we've got, according to Google Maps, 8 hours and 10 minutes till we're there, so we're never going to make it if we follow that route. But yeah, we'll see. We'll keep you guys updated as we go along. Got a split. What did Ray say?
I won't video you.
How much time did we lose?
2 minutes. 2 minute pee, Charlie.
That was good. Did you time it?
Okay, the group is split into two. 2/3 of the group went on the A30. 3 of us are on the A38, which we were anchored down at the start by an average speed zone of 50 miles per hour. Past that now and beyond into a dual carriageway area. From Live 360, it looks like everyone is on the A30 has gone ahead of us, but time will tell. It looks like on Waze there's traffic on the A30 before it converges with the A38 near Exeter. So it's all to play for.
Good progress. We've got all the numbers have just come out of my head. I'm so tired. I can't think. Right.
Well, sunrise is at
Sunrise is
4:30.
4:30.
Which is 3.5.
3.5 hours from now. Yeah?
Yes.
3.5 hours from now, sunrise is happening. And Waze is saying we've got 4 hours.
Yeah.
How many? 4 hours and
Take 4 hours for us to get there.
Oh, so we got 4 hours still to go.
Yeah, which means we'll arrive half an hour late for sunrise.
So currently we're 30 minutes behind.
Yeah.
However, we're hoping to make up the time. However, the one issue is that we do need to make a fuel stop. So we need to be swift as hell with that fuel stop. Everyone's on the same route as each other from what we can see so far. Obviously there'll be some more decisions to make later on down the line, but we're all heading towards the M25 and yeah, all good. Happy days.
Happy days.
So we've done our fuel stop. It wasn't the best fuel stop because we stopped for fuel. They weren't selling any food and they didn't have any toilets. So we had to stop at the next services to go to the toilet and to grab food and stuff. So we are now a lot further behind and we are still about 35 minutes out of schedule. So yeah, it's going to be hard. ponder whether to just give up, but we're going to go, we're going to see it through, and if we fail this year, well, we'll just have to do it next year. Anyway, we'll see you hopefully nearer to Lowestoft.
A left here, left turn,
Got ya. Well done.
and then right. Right at the end of that. Oh my god. Left.
You've arrived. Destination is on your right.
Woo! God. Oh my god. Exactly at the point we arrived. Yes!
Well done, Rob. What a cheesy thing.
Thank you very much.
Well done. We have a booby prize for the person who came last. John! Well done, mate.
Right, so we made it with seconds to spare. Pretty awesome. Can't believe it, to be honest. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Get subscribed to the channel if you enjoyed it. Give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you for the next one. Bye. I'm going to bed now.